Welcome traders to a world where trading isn't just a journey, it's an odyssey. Today, we're diving deep into the powerful and intuitive platform known as WealthInvest24, your trusted companion in the dynamic realms of Forex and cryptocurrency trading. Imagine setting sail into the vast seas of financial markets, where opportunities are abundant but challenges are ever present. With WealthInvest24, navigating these waters becomes an exhilarating experience, whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting your voyage. At the core of WealthInvest24 is its unique ability to merge the complexities of Forex and cryptocurrency trading into a seamless and user-friendly experience. Forex, the global marketplace for trading national currencies, meets the cutting-edge world of cryptocurrencies, where digital assets are traded with unmatched precision and security. WealthInvest24 is where these worlds converge, offering you a platform that's as sophisticated as it is intuitive. What makes WealthInvest24 stand out is not just its state-of-the-art technology, but how it empowers you to make informed decisions with confidence. Imagine having real-time data, market trends, and in-depth analysis at your fingertips, tools that allow you to navigate the fast-paced, often volatile markets with ease. Whether you're analyzing historical data or pinpointing your next move, WealthInvest24 equips you with everything you need to succeed. As you embark on your trading odyssey, WealthInvest24 acts as your guiding star, providing the advanced analytics and cutting-edge algorithms needed to stay ahead of market trends. It's not just about keeping pace, it's about leading the way, turning market fluctuations into opportunities. In the fast-paced world of cryptocurrency, where market volatility is the norm, having a platform that not only keeps up with trends but also anticipates them is crucial. WealthInvest24 achieves this through the implementation of sophisticated algorithms and analytics. This enables traders to stay ahead of market movements, ensuring they can make timely and strategic decisions. WealthInvest24's dedication to innovation solidifies its position as a reliable companion for traders, making the crypto odyssey not just manageable but truly empowering. But there's more to the WealthInvest24 experience. Imagine crafting your investment portfolio with unparalleled precision and diversity. WealthInvest24's innovative multi-account system allows you to tailor your investments according to your unique risk appetite and financial goals. Whether you prefer a conservative approach or are ready to take bold, dynamic actions, this platform gives you the flexibility to diversify and strategize like never before. Now let's talk about something every trader cares about: fees. WealthInvest24 has taken a strategic approach to its fee structure, ensuring it's as wallet-friendly as possible. In an industry where high fees can eat into your profits, WealthInvest24 stands out by prioritizing transparency and affordability. Every transaction, every trade is clear-cut, with no hidden costs. Just straightforward, accessible trading that puts more of your hard-earned money back into your hands. And finally, let's touch on the heart of the WealthInvest24 experience, its user-friendly platform. Whether you're new to trading or a seasoned pro, you'll find WealthInvest24's interface to be intuitive and easy to navigate. It's designed with you in mind, ensuring that your focus remains on making smart, informed decisions rather than struggling with complicated systems. So, as you set sail on your trading journey, remember WealthInvest24 is more than just a platform. It's your partner in the financial markets, empowering you to navigate the complexities with confidence, precision, and ease. Welcome to WealthInvest24, where your trading odyssey truly begins. Thanks for watching.